Good evening, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Market up or market down. The market was up today. For big picture, you can see it's just a sideways movement, nothing crazy. Let's check out the brokerage count. Boom. Got us a couple of sells here. We need to go ahead and update the spreadsheet. So we got Pepsi here at 160.20. Always good to get a sell done on a market up day. Is the other one CNXC? Nope, CE 75.22. Computer doesn't want to work as usual, but guess what? Most of us don't want to work either. We're still out there grinding. So I do want to take some time here to outline big picture because we put money into the investing account on the last few videos, one or two ago, and we'll be rapidly approaching our goal to do it again. So it's really important to understand why we do this. This is the active income. So if you had a regular job, this would be like you getting the second job. This is active income. You got to actively look at this stuff, right? But 24.18, that's a good month. We still have some time left. I'll be able to look at the markets full time for the next week or so, so it'll be really fun for me to get back into it. But to think of this as active income, right? Like you got another job or whatever. And then we turn it into the passive income here, where it grows and it just puts money in our pocket, in our bank account to spend, to have fun with. It can be fun. To take care of the people we love, those kinds of things. So that's the big picture. But with the sale today, you can see we only need 11.87. So 11 more bucks. We're putting more money back in this investing, and we had a couple of really awesome months in here. But if you look at the overall trend, yeah, you can see we had some spikes. The overall trend is up, though. If you drew a moving average in here, it would slightly be going up. But I'm excited because the market shot up, which is really bad for this strategy. But we've continued to maintain our goals here. Just keep in mind, especially folks that are new to the game, when the market goes down or it has a long period of sideways or slightly up, just not much movement, this strategy will catch up to the market. So don't get discouraged if you're lagging behind. You can see here for the year so far, $232 on 15. So definitely lagging the markets there. But you also have to add in all of the investments we've done and the cash flow from it. So it's a little better than that, but it's definitely not what the S&P is pulling. But if the S&P comes down for the end of the year or just does a little sideways, we have all the tools necessary to move a lot of money very fast. We're in profits here on ELV. I'll look for it to go. Yeah, so we're really close here. And then we're just hanging out. We're bag holding in US. You know, we got to stay true to the channel name. But not much to do on an up day. Let's take a little time here. I'm exhausted. I got tomorrow off, so I just want to kind of take a peek while I got some time here. So for the month of November, it's up 4.4%. You can see the market's just on a tear. But when we have these kind of moves here, and all of these are months. So this is like over a year, right? That's where we catch back up. And then when it gets back up to here, you can see how many months it took to get back up to here, the previous highs. So from December all the way to December, 2 years happened. Okay? And nothing happened. Meanwhile, we'll be taking profits out of the markets. So we'll be way ahead there, and it all evens out. Overall returns on the accounts are amazing, in my humble opinion. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Make your own decisions, but do have a plan. If you plan to trade the markets, make sure it's written down, and don't have an excuse of why you can't do this. You know, I'm working as hard as I ever have. I've got other businesses with the eBay stuff. I actually got my eBay seller limit increased. We're doing so much business over there. So I'm busy, 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 but this does not take very much time. This is only a few minutes. We're 6 minutes in, and you probably could have got it done in 2 or less. Market's up. Just document your trades. That's another thing to go over. Do this. Do this. Because you got to be able to look back and see how we're doing, right? But also, it's a good tool to determine when we need to move money to the next bucket. Because if you're just doing trading and active income, you will have to always actively do that. That's not what the goal is. The goal is to create passive income. And if you have a low income at a job, this is the way that I got to the next level. So hopefully it's helpful to you. If it is, let me a like. Make sure you subscribe and share this with your friends. Enjoy the evening. Nice and easy. We don't know what tomorrow will bring us, but we're ready, prepared with a plan, and we're going to execute. So hope you're out there executing as well, killing it in the markets. Let me know down below if you're winning, and we're going to call it. Have a great evening. Thanks for watching.